If you're replacing a through-the-wall air conditioner, you need to know if your outlet is 120 or 240 volts. So check the plug on the old unit. This air conditioner is 120 volts. Next, check the size of the sleeve. If you remove the old air conditioner, you can get an exact measurement. To do that, unplug the unit, remove the decorative trim if it has it, put down drop cloths to catch any water or dirt, remove the insulation around the unit, then pull it out. Having a step ladder just under the height of the unit is handy to rest the unit on if you don't have a helper. Measure the width and height of the opening and the depth. Clean out the inside of the sleeve. Clean out any weep holes at the back of the sleeve. Some units have a grounding wire that can be attached to the inside of the sleeve to ground the metal. Follow the instructions in the manual for your unit and sleeve. Check that the sleeve is sloped toward the back for proper drainage. If not, use composite shims so the front of the unit is higher than the back. Some air conditioners will come with shims. The end of the sleeve should have a grill with louvers to direct the heat from the motor. Some units will come with a grill and a baffle to direct the heat from the motor. Follow the recommendations in your manual. Slide in the unit. Fill the space around the unit with insulation. Put on the decorative trim if it comes with it. Then plug in the air conditioner.